Hello students, welcome to Elements of Costing class. In today's class, we will be discussing fourth technique of material control, that is material turnover ratio, which is also called as inventory turnover ratio. Now what exactly is material turnover ratio? It is a ratio which the value of material consumed during the period bears to the average stock held during the period. It means MTR is used to find out speed of movement of a particular material. Okay, that is whether the particular material is fast moving or slow moving. Okay, that can be found with the help of material turnover ratio. Okay, now the high ratio indicates the material is fast moving. Okay, that is it is regularly used. A low material indicates that the material is slow moving, that is, it is not used regularly, it is going out of demand, and its stock has to be disposed of as early as possible. Okay, now there is a formula. Formula is material turnover ratio is equals to value of material consumed during the period divided by average value of average stock held during the period. Now to calculate material consumed, there is a formula: opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Okay, now this can be also calculated in number of days, like how fast the materials can be moved. Okay, that is material MTD means material turnover in days. So formula is number of days during the period divided by material turnover ratio. Okay, now we will see one problem on this. Okay, the following information is taken from the records of Pure Chemical Laboratories, Bangalore for the year 2017. The value of inventory is rupee 1 per liter. Now here they have given one chart. Name of the material, opening stock, closing stock, and purchases. Now material A, opening stock is 20,000, closing stock is 12,000, purchases is 88,000. For material B, opening stock is 40,000, closing stock is 20,000, and purchases is 1,30,000. Okay, they have asked us to calculate MTR of the above materials and expenses in number of days the average material is held. Okay, now this is the problem, we will be solving it. Okay, now first what we will do, formula of material turnover ratio is value of material consumed during the period divided by average number of stock held during the period. So first what we will do, we will find out material consumed. Okay, now material consumed formula is what? Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Okay, now we need to calculate it for both the materials separately. Okay, now first we will calculate it for material A. Okay, so material A, so that is equals to opening stock is how much? That is 20,000. Then plus purchases is 88,000. Then minus closing stock is 12,000. Okay, yes. Now find it out. Calculate this. How much you will get? So that is equals to 40,000. No, 96,000. 96,000. Okay. Yes. Now same thing we need to calculate for material B also. B is equals to 40,000 plus 1,30,000 minus 20,000. Okay. Yes. Now this is equals to 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Okay. Yes. Now next we need to calculate average stock. Now average stock formula is opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. Now this we need to calculate again for material A as well as material B. Okay, now A is equals to opening stock is how much? 20,000. 20,000 plus closing stock is 12,000. 12,000. Okay, then divided by 2. Divided by 2. So that will be equal to equal to 16,000. 16,000. Okay, now same thing, calculate it for B also. B is equals to opening stock for B is how much? 40,000. 40,000, then plus closing stock is 20,000. 20,000. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2. So that will be equal to, calculate, so that will be equal to 30,000. Okay, so these two are working notes. We have calculated material consumed as well as average stock. Okay, our next thing is to calculate material turnover ratio. Write down the formula. Material turnover ratio is equals to value of material consumed during the period divided by value of average stock held during the period. Okay, now so that will be equal to now material consumed for A we have already calculated, that is 96,000. 96,000, then divided by 96,000 divided by a value of average stock held is 16,000 for A. It is 16,000. So now that will be equal to that will be equal to 6. Same thing, calculate even for B also. So this we have calculated for A. Okay, next is we will be calculating it for B. So that will be equals to, it is 1,50,000 material consumed, 1,50,000, then divided by average stock. We have calculated average stock is 30,000. Okay, so that will be equal to, so that will be equals to 5. Okay, now we need to write the conclusion. We have to see that which is fast moving and which is slow moving. Okay, so material A is fast moving than material B, as its material turnover ratio is higher than material turnover ratio of material B. Okay, understanding? You will have to write here conclusion is MTR of material A is fast moving than material B. Okay. A here you can write is higher Okay, higher. So it it is fast moving than material B. Okay, so this is what is conclusion you can write. Now next they have asked us to calculate it in number of days also. Okay, so formula is material turnover in days is equals to number of days during the period divided by material turnover ratio. Same thing again we need to calculate for A as well as B. So number of days during the period. Okay, now number of days during the period in case of, now in a year how many days we need to check. Okay, so for material A that is 365 days, 365 days divided by material turnover ratio for B. Material turnover ratio for A is how much? 6. 6. Okay, so 365 divided by 6. So that will be equals to how much? Equal to 60.83 days. It means we will take as 61 days. We will round it up and take 61 days. Okay, same thing we need to calculate for B also. So B is equals to 365 days, 365 days, okay, divided by, now MTR of material B is 5. Okay, so calculate, find out how much you will get. 365 divided by 5. Okay, that is 73 days. That is 73 days. Okay, hope so everybody is understanding this. Okay, now we can draw a conclusion out of this. You can write here. Okay, now you can write your conclusion. So write conclusion. You can write conclusion. Average stock of material is held for 61 days. You can write average stock of material A is held for 61 days for 61 days and average stock of material B, write down average stock of material B is held for 73 days. 73 days. Okay, understanding? Hope so. Everybody has understood this problem. Okay, we will solve another problem on this similar type of problem. Okay, wherein, yes, 3 materials are given. Okay, I'll read it out. The following are taken from the records of Messrs. Mohan and Company, Bangalore for the year 2016. The value of inventory is rupee 1 per kg or liter. Okay, material XYZ they have given, opening stock is given, purchases is given, as well as closing stock is given. Okay, now calculate the inventory turnover ratio of the above materials and expenses in number of days the average inventory held. Okay, similar type of problem it is. Okay, again we will solve it. Now first we need to find out material consumed. Okay, so first of X, opening stock is how much? Opening stock is 7,000. 7,000 plus purchases is 11,500. Okay, plus closing is 200 kgs. So that will be equal to how much? 12,000 kgs. Okay, now same thing, calculate for Y. Y is equals to, opening is 200 liters plus purchases is 11,000 liters plus closing is 1,200 liters. So that will be equal to 10,000 liters. Okay, yes. Now next is Z. Z is equals to 1,000 kgs is opening plus purchases is 1,800 kgs plus minus minus 1,200 kgs. So that will be equal to 1,600 kgs. Okay, hope so everybody is understanding. Now we will calculate average stock. Okay, average stock of X is equals to, opening stock is 7,000. 7,000 plus closing stock is how much? 200. Okay, then divided by 2. Divided by 2. Okay, so that will be equal to, how much? 450 kgs. 450 kgs. Okay, yes. Now same thing we need to calculate for Y. Y is equals to 200 k plus 1,200 divided by 2. Okay, again calculate. That will be equal to 700 liters. Okay, yes. Now same thing, calculate for Z also. Z is equals to 1,000 plus 1,200 divided by 2. Divided by 2. Again that will be equal to 1,100 kgs. Okay, hope so everybody is understanding this. Now next is we need to calculate material turnover ratio. Formula is value of material consumed during the period divided by average value of average stock held during the period. So first we will calculate for X. So X is equals to, it is 12,000 kgs, 12,000 kgs, then divided by 12,000 kgs divided by value of average stock is 450 kgs, 450 kgs. Okay, so this will be equal to, just calculate this, so that will be 26.67. So we will round it up, that is 27 times. It is 27 times fast moving. Okay, now next we will be calculating it for Y. Y is equals to 10,000 liters, 10,000 liters, then divided by, okay, divided by average stock of Y is how much? Average stock of Y is 700 liters. Okay, calculate this. So that is equals to 14.28. 14.28. We will round it up, that is 14 times. 14 times. Okay, yes. Now same thing we need to calculate for Z also. So Z is equals to 1,600 kgs divided by 1,100 kgs. Okay, so which will be equal to 1.45 times, or this can be rounded up to 1 time. Okay, yes. Now conclusion we need to write. Now just check which is fast moving. So material X is fast moving compared to material Y and Z. Okay, conclusion. So material X is fast moving compared to material Y and Z, as its material turnover ratio is high. Okay, now next we need to calculate number of days. Okay, so the formula is MTD is equals to number of days during the period divided by MTR. Okay, now that is X is equals to number of days is 365 days, 365 days divided by this is 27. Okay, Yes. Now which will be equal to 13.52, or we can round it up to 14 days. 14 days. Okay. Yes. Now same thing we need to calculate for y. Okay. So for y, 365 days divided by how much it is? 14 times divided by 14. So that is 26 days. 26 days. Okay, hope so everybody is understanding. Okay, now next is we will have to calculate it for z also. Okay, now next is z is equals to 365 days divided by one time, right? Divided by one time. So that is your answer will be how much? 365 days. 365 days. Okay. Hope so. This problem is clear to you all. Okay. So this completes your material turnover ratio. Okay. In my next class, I will be starting with next technique of material control. Okay. See you in next class.